here, y'all. It's this time again. Looks like my lovely wife's already putting down the blue, whatever you call this stuff. We finally come to putting the living room flooring down. So, we're like 2 skeets shy of a sunrise from being in here. You know, we just gotta keep our eye on things because we renovated it. We ain't no professionals. But you might be. So try it out yourself. Let's get putting the flooring down. Dippy-doo-wop day. the living room floor. We got the washer unwrapped. We think that they didn't bring the piping or whatever, but hey, it probably wasn't supposed to come with it anyway. We don't know. We bought it 2.5, 3 years ago. So yeah. It's getting there, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when videos are coming out. Looks a lot more different. The wife might actually put up something here soon of pictures of the way it used to look and how it looks now. Stay tuned. There's 2 episodes coming. Shalom, y'all.